Hey Cosmic Dreamer, it's Thursday night. Let's take a look at your dreams. It's the night of July 2nd, 2026. Tune in. Drop into your dreaming body. Connect to the intelligence of the universe. My name is Rick Aster. The solar plexus chakra is the first card from the energy oracle cards. The Eight of Swords from the Light Seer's Tarot. So maybe we're talking about cord cutting here. Separating your energy of will from that of anyone else's will so that you're making your own decisions. I think maybe in the stream you realize how much you're influenced by other people or by the online apps that you deal with, the institutions that you deal with, the social conventions that you align with. And I think you're going to look at one of those and say, what if I unplug from this? What if I disconnect my energy from this energy? What's going to change? It's an experiment. Sweet dreams, Cosmic Dreamer.